Alfredo pasta is delicious and easy to make on any day of the week. This easy chicken mushroom linguini Alfredo is a perfect example. This quick and easy recipe starts with 3 main ingredients: some mushrooms, chicken thighs, pasta, cheese, some heavy cream, Italian seasoning, parsley for garnishing, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, and some butter. Using a wet paper towel, just go through these mushrooms to remove any dirt that might be on them. Remove the stem. Save this for making stalks. Just roughly slice this. These, by the way, are Creminis or button mushrooms, which will grow into portobellos. Set aside. Onto the same cutting board, I have 2 cloves garlic and a small shallot. Dice the garlic. Peel and chop the shallot. You can also use red or white onion here. Chop some parsley for garnishing and cooking. Now, with all the chopping and dicing done, I have some chicken thighs here, boneless and skinless. Dice these into nice bite size. You can buy the chicken thighs either already boneless and skinless, or you can buy them with bones and skin and then just work them yourself. They are slightly cheaper when you do yourself. Chicken all diced, about a pound or so. Onto the heating saute pan, vegetable oil, about a teaspoon. Add the chicken thighs. Season, salt and pepper. Saute until the chicken is slightly browned. Heavily season the water with salt. If you prefer for the chicken, you can also use chicken breast, but I like the thighs because they have more flavor. Move the browned chicken onto a plate. Add just a touch more oil and start sauteing the mushrooms. Degrease the pan with just a touch of vegetable stock. I'm gonna change into a spatula here. Scrape the bottom. In the meanwhile, our pasta water has come to a boil. Now return the chicken into the saute pan. Add dried Italian seasoning, just a pinch red pepper flakes, optional. Just a touch more salt and pepper. Add shallots, garlic. Add heavy cream. Palm cheese. Continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked through and the cream has slightly reduced. The classic Alfredo sauce. In the meanwhile, finish cooking the pasta. Into the salted boiling water, add the linguini pasta. This will take about 12 minutes to cook. By then, the chicken will be done. Check this pasta for doneness. It's perfectly al dente, all to the tooth. The key is never overcooking the pasta. Drain it into a colander. In the meanwhile, our chicken and mushrooms are fully cooked. The sauce is all reduced. Finish now with a touch of butter, some parsley, and just melt in the butter. And I can also introduce our pasta. We saved some of the pasta cooking water just in case we need it. Bring the heat up just slightly. You want to be careful at this point. You also don't want to break the sauce. And this, ready to go to the table. Can never go wrong with a touch more cheese. Maybe sprinkle just a touch pasta water here. Heat off. This pasta is ready for me. Into this small bowl here, some of these awesome mushrooms, chicken, a perfect dish for serving family style, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Touch parsley here. Finish with a grating of fresh Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Give this a good bite here. Some pasta, chicken, and the mushrooms. Just chicken, mushrooms, some heavy cream. You got yourself this delicious dish. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.